Assalamu alaikum. Myself Fazan Ahmad and my group member is Dua Zainab. Basically, our project is about airline reservation system. First of all, we have a login page in our airline system in which we have to log in by putting user ID and then the passcode. And here we log in into our airline reservation system homepage. There are four sections: flight, passenger, tickets, cancellation. And our code is about of login page. Backend code is here. Here is the backend code of our login page. And then we have uh, we can book flights in it. We have to put flight code, source, destination, ticket date, and number of seats. And then we have to save the record of the flight. Here we are selecting the date, like 1st July, and then we save the record. Here our record is saved now. And here is the code of booking a flight or saving the record of the flight. And after that, we can also add, update, or delete flight records in our system, in our airline system. Now, we can view the flight record. Here is the record of our all booked flights or scheduled flights. Here, any of the flight we can update or delete anything we want. Here we are selecting this flight and updating it. Here we put the flight code, or we can directly click the delete option to delete the flight. And after that, we can also update some flight, like we have to click the flight information, and then we can change if we want to change the destination, or if we want to change number of seats. It depends on our, like, what we want. So here we are updating this flight 4355. Here we are changing source, and it is updated successfully. After that, if we move towards the passenger section, we go back to the home page and then we click the passenger section, and here we can also add the data of any passenger, like who anyone booked the flight. We can add his or her data here. Here we can add ID, name, passport number, address, nationality, gender, phone number. So here you can save the record. Our record is saved. We have to put a right phone number here, and then we can save the record. Our record is saved successfully. And here is the code of the insertion of passenger data, or adding the passenger data, what you call it. After that, we can also update or delete the data in our passenger section. Like we go to the home page, we go to the passenger, and then we can update and delete any kind of record we want. Just we have to select that record, and what kind of changes, like we have to change the passport, nationality, anything. We can just update, change it and update the data. Or if we have to delete the passenger record, any passenger record, we have to just click and then press the delete button, and here our data is deleted. Like this, here our data is deleted. And And now here is the code of our updation and deletion of the passenger records. After that, we have to move towards the ticket section. We go back to the home page, and then we are selecting the ticket section, and here we can book the tickets by putting flight code or passenger ID. Like if anyone booked the flight, he has a passenger record, then we can provide him or her our ticket by putting his or her information. Here our first ticket is booked successfully, and then we can also cancel the ticket as well. So here I show you the code of ticket booking. Here it is. Here is the backend code of ticket booking section. Like we are booking the tickets in this section. After that, we have to move towards the cancellation section. If someone has cancelled the ticket, we can also cancel the ticket in our airline system. And now we can go back to our home page and then select the cancellation section. Here we can add cancel ID, like any new cancellation ID, and cancellation ID is always unique for every cancellation. Here we can also add ticket ID, flight code, and date, and then we can cancel the ticket, and our ticket is cancelled successfully. Now we can see the code of our cancellation file or cancellation section. Here is the detailed code of our cancellation, in which we are canceling the tickets by adding passengers ID, or the flight ID related to that cancellation. And now, if we move towards the database, here all the data of passengers, flights, tickets is stored. Here are our all database files in our SQL server. Here I am showing you our passengers data, our flights, our cancellation, our tickets booking, everything we discussed in our airline reservation system. All the data is stored in our database. Like this is our passenger, and these are our flights. And now we also have a tickets table. Like we have if we are updating the data, we are deleting the data, it can automatically change into our database, because we connect the database directly to our window form application. At the end, here is our program.cs file, and we put our login page in this file. Like if we put any kind of page like login, sign up, or home page in this file, and after executing time, uh, that kind of file will be open. Thank you.